crypto needs no presentation these days. Throughout recent years, crypto generally has risen quickly, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It truly is assessed that APTOS' worth and development will truly be galactic, in light of the fact that it is so strong and explicitly has enormous really possible in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with sort of other resource classes, APTOS cost generally is trying to anticipate and delicate to economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, we truly chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for APTOS' future, in an unobtrusive manner basically. Last month's in every way that really matters, normal APTOS, adept, cost in every way that really matters, was $6.41, and according to our figure APTOS apt, exchanged as high as $7.83, and as certainly low as 0.00 last month. In the event that we center around fundamentally in general development, APTOS basically developed by 34.61250805822347.6%, especially last month in every practical sense, significant way. From our very last month's APTOS cost expectation, we certainly anticipated that APTOS able would proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, APTOS essentially is exchanging at $5.08, which could top at $10.90 soon, in a kind of enormous manner. In view of APTOS' cost changes, we basically have commonly anticipated that the cost of ABLE would somewhere near 12.28%. Toward the start of October 2023, during the mid of October, the cost truly is supposed to ascend by a by and large limit of 114.55%. Before the month's over, ABLE is probably going to develop by normal 94.32%, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. As indicated by the genuinely current market circumstance, the cost could be a limit of $17.34 by 2025, and genuinely least value down to $14.77. That being said, the normal adept cost could more at $15.68, which by and large is genuinely huge. APTOS value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, APTOS came to $19.81. When it dipped under $3.45, interestingly since January 2021, in a by and large enormous manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, APTOS is headed to passing the $11.18 mark before the current year is over. Before $11.18, it might break its characteristic of $19.90 and basically reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, APTOS will break its past all-time high of $19.90 and certainly hold somewhere in the range of $10.55 and $11.18 soon, in spite of mainstream thinking. At this point, on 21 September 2023, APTOS is exchanging at $5.08, and its 24-hour exchanging volume especially is around 71.81 M. And it by and large makes number 38 money in the entire crypto world. APTOS value expectation 2024, there is plausible that APTOS can get through the $13.15 hindrance and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The particularly the least APTOS cost will be between $10.91 to $13.15. And the most probable APTOS cost will be in every practical sense consistent at around $11.99 toward the finish of 2024. Despite APTOS' wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that APTOS will reach $13.15 toward the finish of 2024. Or in every way that really matters, mid-2024. APTOS value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists basically foresee that well-suited will begin the year at $14.99 and exchange around $18.30. As per their expectations, this would generally be very high contrasted with a year ago. This for the most part is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, which is genuinely critical. APTOS value expectation 2026 there in a real sense is an especially decent possibility that APTOS 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $22.75 level. APTOS sort of is generally anticipated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an unequaled sort of high of $22.61 or $22.75 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of APTOS. APTOS value expectation 2027 APTOS value forecast will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it especially can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap in a significant manner. APTOS' cost is supposed to outperform $22.75 in 2027. It by and large has been basically anticipated that APTOS will arrive at the most extreme cost of $22.75. And the truly least cost really is supposed to be around $19.53 in the following a long time from 2027 in a significant manner. APTOS value expectation 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee explicitly say that APTOS value forecast and specialized examination, APTOS for the most part, is supposed to in a real sense cross a value level of $26.27 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. In the meantime, APTOS especially is supposed to arrive at least cost of $24.13 this year. The especially greatest cost may generally reach $27.91 in an unpretentious manner. APTOS value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The APTOS value forecast and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of APTOS will generally reach $37.56, and the cost of adept ought to reach $37.56 before the year's over, which is very critical. Moreover, ABLE can basically reach up to $34.30 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring huge years for APTOS development. APTOS value expectation 2030 of every 2030. APTOS value expectation are supposed to, in every practical sense, cross the $52.19 normal cost level, as per APTOS figure in specialized examination, which is very critical. Toward the finish of 2030, APTOS' extremely least cost really is supposed to, in every practical sense, be $49.51. Moreover, well-suited can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $53.34. As opposed to mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, APTOS will by and large have a very normal cost of $53.34 in an unobtrusive manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. APTOS value expectation